This is our oil injection tool. First, fill the syringe with oil. This is our product, which is similar to the one on the whole vehicle. This is the lower pump. Let's start to inject oil. Remove the air from the syringe. Unscrew the oil injection screw of the pump. Then unscrew the upper half screw. Screw another syringe onto this product. Then insert the oil pip. Now let's begin to drain the air. The syringe is pulling up. This is to suck out the air. And this is for pushing out the oil from the syringe. Then remove the syringe. And remove this yellow device. Tighten the plug screw. Note that the lower pump of this product must have this stopper. When mounting the wheel, the brake disc needs to be fitted correctly inside the caliper. Let's start squeezing the handle until it turns hard. Adjust the brake lever until there is about a 2-finger gap from the handlebar. It means that the oil amount is about right. Then take it off. Lock all our screws. And that completes the sealing. Finally, wipe the oil clean.